Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Caridad Carpina Sibial. I am 45 years old. I am married and have 4 children. I have a working experience in Singapore and in Hong Kong. I worked there as a domestic helper for 4 years in Singapore, taking care of children. I also worked in Hong Kong for almost 8 years, mostly taking care of children and taking care a newborn baby. My main job are cleaning the house, washing, laundry, washing dishes, ironing, and sometimes I go to market. I have experienced a newly born baby for 4 years at my employers in Hang Hao before. It was the year 2011 to 2016. I am an honest and responsible person. I am willing to learn and follow instructions from my employer. Thank you for your kind consideration. Respectfully yours, Caridad. God bless you all.